welcome to another show, Living with Esther. In today's video, we will be doing, oh my goodness, work on the garage. So we're gonna dump everything out of the garage. Everything. He's gonna keep some tools, but some stuff we're gonna give to the Goodwill, and the rest of the stuff is just going in the dump. So we're not keeping anything. We're not keeping anything but a few tools, okay? Welcome again to my show. To all my new subscribers, welcome aboard. I love to have you guys in this community. It's a pleasure having you guys. To my existing subscriber, thanks again for your support, and thanks for sticking with me all through all this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I do appreciate it. Okay, so now guys, let's get the ball rolling. Let's start cleaning up this mess. Okay, let's start cleaning up this mess. As I always say, it's a royal mess in there. Okay, so come on, let's go and clean up this mess. Look at my garage, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this transformation that we were working on. Guys, I'm inside the garage, and now, guys, oh my goodness, what a transformation. What a transformation. Now I can park in the garage. Look at this, guy. We did a fantastic job, and we're not yet finished. We are not yet finished. We still have the ladders to hang up, and we still have to clean up the walls over there with all those tools. And guys, oh my goodness, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Oh my goodness. And we have the floor to clean, so that has to be clean. And oh man, I want to do something to this floor too. Probably we want to stain it. So this, to stain it, that's probably a project for next summer. We're gonna work on that next summer. But guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Guys, this is a real big. That's a massive garage cleaning that we did. That this is a makeover, because guys, when I showed it to y'all, we could not turn in this garage. We had so much tools and stuff in here. We gave away so much stuff we gave away. But look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. So the garage needs to be painted. And guys, look at this. But as I said, it's a work in progress. It's work in progress. That's a progress over perfection garage, guys. But now also over here we had to put some of the tools over here. So the hubby and I, we still have to go into the tools and take out what he wants and donate what he does not want. So right here is tools, and we just rest it here, but we have to get to it when we come back from vacation because we're going on vacation. So when he comes back, but we had cleaned all of this out. All of this was already clean. It was looking just like over here, but because of all the tools, he said he wanted to sort some of the tools. So guys, we have to go through this, but that, and I know he's gonna put the majority of it in the garbage. I know he's gonna. Then that old fridge we have there, we have to pull that out and take it to the dump. And guys, this is a transformation, because before, guys, the debris in this garage was all the way up to the ceiling. You couldn't turn, you couldn't see anything in here. But look at this transformation, guys. So what he's gonna do, he is not gonna park his vehicle in the garage. He's gonna park his lawnmower that he just purchased, his John Deere lawnmower. He's gonna park that in this garage. So all of this has to go. So he's gonna park his lawnmower in the garage, and also his snow blower. He's gonna park in the garage. So the snow blower and the lawnmower, and he's gonna use that side just for that. And he's keeping his electric saw, so that's gonna stay. But and as I said, a few things under here that he's gonna take out, go through it and make sure he don't need it. And guys, look at this. Look at this. So you notice all these buckets here with stuff. So, but guys, we're gonna get it. But listen, I wanna say we are 80% out the way. 80%. And guys, you all saw how the garage, all the clutter that was in the garage, and now look at it. What a transformation. So guys, we get in there, but I just can't believe we get there. So now I can park my vehicle in the garage for now until we, come back from vacation. But as I said, this is to do the floor. We're gonna have to stain the floor. First, we have to clean it, and then, So, but that's another project for next year. So this is our next year project. Oh, I can park in my garage now. Oh my goodness. I don't have to park outside, but that's part of the transformation. This is part of the transformation. I just want you guys to see that garage. Oh my goodness. Amazing.
are my refuge and fortress. There is nothing to fear. If God is for us, who can be against us? Your word is true. In you I trust, O Lord. Strengthen my